winner of the parade Jofaylympics 2024 goes to Rubia! Champions, Rubia!
Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up.
Jofaylympics 24 is actually a great one because it's colorful, it's beautiful, everything was well arranged. I'm so happy and proud to be part of Jofaylympics 2024.
Jofaylympics 2024, an edition that is, well, I would say to my own side, that's better than the previous edition because this time we have more participants and it was a highly competitive event.
The clubs they performed better than previous participation, and we're looking forward to next year Olympics, and we hope that it's going to be better than this year.
In fact, my house handball has been taking first for the past 3 years, but for the first time after 3 years, Ruby House took first.
Amber has been winning, but this time around we came run-up, and it's a very good one for us because every other house never wanted Amber to win. And this year was very, very competitive because every house, came out to fight Amber. And actually, the win for Ruby was win for all other houses.
Definitely, I feel very much happy, very much comfortable for Ruby House to emerge as the winner house 2024 Jofaylympics.
For me, I enjoyed every bit of it. God bless you, Jofi.
And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself up. Stand up.
I must say it's been very enlightening, and we hope to continue. See you in 2 years' time, 2026. I hope you will be there as well. Thank you.